In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs editable. If you've ever shared a document and the other person couldn't make changes, or you wanted to let a group collaborate without giving full control to everyone, this walkthrough will clear it up and help you pick the right access for the situation. Start by opening your document in Google Docs in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. In the top right corner, click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings window where all the access and permission choices live. Look for the section labeled General Access. Click the drop down there and you'll see two main choices. Restricted means only people you add directly can open the file. This is the most secure option and is great for private or sensitive work where you want tight control. Anyone with the link means that anyone who has the link can open the document. This is ideal for quick collaboration or broad distribution, but remember that the link can be forwarded, so use it only when that level of openness is acceptable. Next, pay attention to the permission level shown on the right side for each person or for the link you're sharing. Click that permission menu and choose what you want people to be able to do. Editor gives full editing access so they can change text, format, and reorganize content. This is what makes the document truly editable for collaborators you trust. Viewer lets people open and read the document, but they can't change anything. Choose this when you want to share information without risking accidental edits. Commenter sits in between. They can't change the original text, but they can leave comments to give feedback. This is perfect when you want input and discussion without altering the main content. Take a moment to confirm that you've picked the right combination of access and permission. For example, if you want a class or team to be able to edit, set general access to anyone with the link and change the permission to editor. If you only want a few specific people to collaborate, keep it on restricted and set those individuals to editor while others remain viewer or commenter. When everything looks right, click Done to apply your settings. You can return to the Share menu anytime to adjust or tighten access later. And that's all you need to make your Google Doc editable with confidence.